what I want to show you is a typical sign that you will most likely find when you come into an Airbnb. And you'll need to know how to read the sign and understand the instructions. Else you may violate some rules or whatever, and they won't like you then. So let me show you a quick example of what I mean. Okay, you see this right here? This is a simple sign that you'll probably see when you step into a Latin American Airbnb. It's just some basic instructions. All right, so it says, bienvenido, estamos encantados de recibirte. Aquí te brindamos información importante para tu estadía. So what they're saying is, basically, we're happy to receive you. We're happy you're here. And we have this information, important information for your stay. And it goes on to say, check-in, 15 horas. Check out, 12 horas. Now what you'll notice is that in Latin America, they don't use standard time. They use what you call the 24-hour clock, or army time, so to speak. Okay, so you're gonna need to know how to read that. So I'm gonna have another video to show you how to read it, but just a quick way to read this. I just do it like this. There's a lot of instructions on how to do it. I shave 2 numbers off the main number, and that gives me my time for the most part, unless it's something obvious like 12, which is noon, or something like that. So for 15, I shave 2 off the 5, and that's gonna give me 3. I know that means 3 o'clock, okay? 12, that's just gonna be standard. So it's 12, whether it's on the standard clock or the 24-hour clock. So I know 12 is 12 noon, okay? Now, al momento de retirarse, dejar llave y tarjeta de acceso en el escritorio frente a la cama. Now it's basically saying when you leave, okay? When you leave the key and the card, the access card, on the desk in front of the bed. Okay? No se admiten mascotas. So no pets are allowed. Mascotas means pets. And then it says, no se permite fumar dentro del departamento. It's not permitted. You're not allowed to smoke inside the apartment. Now, it's 2 words for apartment in Latin America. You may hear apartamento with that A, and that's probably more, of course, easier to relate in your mind because it's similar to English, apartment, apartamento. But you'll also see department, like this, departamento. So you gotta know both. So yeah, that's it about Latin America. You know, there's a lot of synonyms, a lot of different words that have the same meaning. So it's good to know a few synonyms and have them up your belt in case they switch up on you. Okay, so that's just a quick lesson of the day. Again, you're gonna see these kind of signs when you go into your accommodations in Latin America. So you just need to know those things. Okay, so if you got value from this video, do me a favor, reach out and smash that like button. Also, be sure to subscribe because you don't want to miss a thing. And until next time, remember, you don't have to be perfect. Just be good enough.